Your next resistance would be at 183.60. 183.60. So definitely keep an eye on if it's going to give you that curl because there is no curl anywhere right now. Um, Another one is Myrna making a nice double bottom here on Myrna. No curl on it yet. You want to see this one break above resistance of 35.50. Crowd is showing up. Good morning, Gajura. Crowd is trying to make that base here, making a little nice double bottom. We are not breaking over resistance though. You want to see this one break above the 325.23. 325.23 is the resistance you want to push through on crowd. Another one that is coming down to support here is BNTX, and it has a support line. It's sitting on it right now, actually. So you are sitting this support here on BNTX, no curl yet. So you want to see if this one can break above your first resistance line, and that would be that 10510 on BNTX for an upside move. Just a little bit on the heavy side, still everything is all right. So definitely keep an eye on this BNTX as well. Has decent volume in it and all that. Um, APP is showing up as well, making this base here, no curl. You want to see this one break above this resistance line, and that is at the 250 spot 10. You want to break over that resistance. Next resistance you're going to find will be up here at the 250, 252.25 is your next resistance you want to push through on APP. Like I said, nothing has a curl on it right now. Nothing is being successfully curling. Right. So just making a little bit of a base here right now. Another one that is coming down to support is this AVGO. Testing resistance, not able to push through on AVGO. You want to see this one break above that resistance lines for a push on AVGO. AMD, another one showing up here with a double bottom and all that, making again a base, no curl. It's AMD. TSM, like we were talking about this morning, another one that is holding support here on TSM. No curl yet. All right, just like everything else, no curl on anything right now. But we want to see an upside move. All right, so we have to start somewhere. What is Amazon doing here? Amazon is also showing up on the scanner on Amazon, making a little bit of an effort here. We are not breaking over resistance either. So that's not a good sign because this Amazon might as well come up here, test that support line, resistance line here, and pull back down again and get it down to my next support on Amazon, which is down here at 193.60. So we want to see everything break above resistance, all right? Everything. SMCI is making a nice double bottom down here. Beautiful double bottom on SMCI and no break over resistance yet. You want to see this one break above this resistance line. And that resistance is at what is that, 27, no, 37, 37.30. 37.30 is your first resistance you want to push through on SMCI. All right. So just be careful. Just because we want to go long, when this stocks does not want to, all right, this is what you need to be cautious with. All right. That's what I got this morning, guys. So let me go back here to SPY and see if we can get that SPY to give us that curl and take the market up. Right now, we are still a little bit on the heavy side. NVIDIA. Does anybody have any other tickers you guys want to talk about? Any other tickers?
Good morning, Jeannie.
Good morning, Dina. I was talking about your VSD and
I saw that. My daughter just drove to the Keys this morning, so I had to make sure everything was good. Did you do ARM?
um, I don't know. I forgot. I
It's in the
probably
pits.
did.
It's in the pits.
Arm.
Oh, I know it's in
In the pits,
Arm.
Dina.
Yeah,
I know.
yeah. I think I was talking about this arm.
Going nowhere
Dina.
fast.
It's holding support here. You want to break over your resistance line, and that first resistance is 121.32. What's your next resistance? Because it's very close by. Another one that you need to take care of would be this 122.15.
Okay.
So this line up there,
Yep.
you want to break through the second line as well, all right? Very importante. And then
Importante.
importante. And then you're gonna come up to 123.45
Yes, we are.
before you can push it higher, all right?
Okay.
On arm.
All righty. Thank you, sir.
So I like the VST, I like the AMD, the ARM, everything that I talked about, but no curl yet.
Mhm. Okay.
So,
Just tell it to
Janny, on
curl, Jeannie.
PTGX, if
Mhm.
because it has no resistance up above it, if you were to draw fibs, I'm showing that it'd be at like a 1.68, $57 on the head. What are you seeing as a resistance mark? Or
Oh
are you
man,
thinking it's there right
this one,
now?
I want to pull on that one. That's what I wanted. So definitely keep an eye on your support lines. I don't want this one to go up. I want a downside move.
Downside move.
Yeah. So what is coming down to support here? Um, yeah, I wanted to short this one. The problem was in the pre-market that we didn't have volume in it.
Right.
And look at this nice move already. What is that? 4 points already? Five?
Mm-hmm.
Um, so what's your next support line to break to take it down further?
Right.
For an upside move on that one, um, what is the fib saying?
57, the way I drew it.
Got it. 57. All right, so let's hope we're gonna get a pop because the volume in it stinks right now.
Well, the average volume is only like less than a million a day, so it's already at 1.6 million for the day. So it's already, you know, quite a bit up there.
Mhm.
Of course, BNTX is looking favorable. For continued downside to that, I'm thinking 99, like we talked about.
On SPY?
No, BNTX.
Oh, BNTX, yeah. Yes, Kajira. Loud and clear. Can you hear us? Kajira? All right. All right. All right. So SPY is still coming down. My next support we set on SPY is that purple line down here. What's this double bottom? It went just with its nose sticking out a little bit lower, but so let's see if we can get that pull and then turn it around and push it, all right? We still have another less than 3 more minutes. NVIDIA is trying to break over resistance here. Anybody else have any tickers you guys want to talk about? Look at the SMCI. Boom. SMCI.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, They give it a price target of $60.
Nice push. Next resistance we have on SMCI would be that 38.28. Nice little pop on Nvidia. Kajura, Tesla, put, PLTR, Nvidia. Thanks, Kajura. Condensed, do you have anything? We don't want to see a break right now on this PTGX, right? The best thing would be that pop and then, right? Less than a minute. Uno minutos. Ready? Here we go. Patient, don't jump the gun yet, all right?
No gun
Easy,
jumping.
easy. Buy's trying here. Come on, come on. Nice push on Nvidia.
Yeah, looks good.
Hmm. Come on, push through, push through, push through, push through. Come on. Want to see that SPY break over that the resistance up there, right? Remember, we said that resistance up here on SPY is the key for an upside move. Want to push through there. Come on, there you go. Go, go, go. SMCI, beautiful push on SMCI. Nice push on Nvidia as well. Come on, SPY, push through, man. Here we go, testing that resistance right now. Look at Tesla, pop and dump, right? Came up to resistance, didn't want to push through, giving us a nice little pull here. So right now we are trying to break on the support here on Tesla for a more downside move. SPY rejected that resistance area. Came up, touched that resistance, couldn't push through. Look at this pull and SPY's doing right now. Taking everything down with it. Your MSTR, your coin, your Reddit, your PLTR, your apples. Everything is being pulled right now. Nice, Kajura. Still pulling here. Tesla is still on the heavy side right now. Nice push on Myrna. Was on our list today. Myrna. Baidu is pushing. VST holding still that support line here. Your VST gave us a pop and now it's testing that support line, being a little bit on the heavy side. Look at this SPY pole here right now. So it's coming down to that support we wanted, right? So let's see if we're gonna get it down to this support here, this purple line, almost there right now. Just a breath away. And I think I have to put another line on top of the purple line because it disappears. And we are touching it right now. You're coming down to that support here on SPY. This is the purple line I was talking about, but it disappears when I zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. And there it is. All right. So we are hitting that support here on SPY right now. So let's see if we're gonna hold it. Still a little bit on the heavy side right now, SPY is. But your resistance lines. Nice pull on Apple, PLTR, Coin, MSTR, Reddit. Nvidia coming up and wants to retest that resistance up there. ARM is trying to make a curl. ARM. Nvidia is doing absolutely not direction right now between support and resistance, doing nothing. PTGX also came down to support, doesn't want to push through. Volume in this PTGX is still only 10,000, 11,000 coming in, so it's very light volume. SPY came down to our purple line down here. SPY still holding it, but still no curl. Yeah. Mhm, mhm. What kind of a sign is it to you? What kind? That the market is gonna go lower? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. SPY is still not giving us that curl we were looking for, an upside move. At least not yet. Perfect. Nvidia is retesting resistance. Price having no direction right now. There goes the push on Nvidia. Yeah, well done. Well done, Ken. Nice pull on Mr. and Coin right now. SPY slowly coming up to that resistance we want to break through. Come up there and test it again. TRVI. TRVI. Nice move. Yeah. Oh, it's from pre-market, this one. I remember this one. What was the other ticker, small ticker we said keep an eye on? MLYSM. Yeah. Getting a little bit of a pop here on this MLYS, coming up to resistance of 1522. You want to break through MY MLYS. You want to break over that resistance here of 1522. So SPY, yeah, 4. Right. Yeah, nice move on 4, definitely. Mm. Mhm. Got it. Thanks, Kajura. What's that SPY coming down and holding support here for now? Making a little bit of a base on Apple. No curl, no nothing, just a little bit of a base. Nvidia coming up to the next resistance. SPY's trying to break through here. This is what we wanted, right? To break through that resistance, we wanted this one to come down here to that purple line, right? For a better entry and see if we can push it. Now we are breaking over that resistance. So that's where we are right now. We want to stay above that line. We don't want to pull back down under it again. Nvidia hitting the next resistance. So right now, this opening we've had, it's not been the greatest for me. This is what it is. So keep an eye on that Tesla. It's making a little bit of a base. No curl yet. Pew pew. Come on, spy. Push, push, spy. Push, push. Darn you. Push. So we're getting a nice little push here on SPY, taking everything up with it. Look at coin. What a beautiful push on coin of support. The same thing goes for MSTR. Come on. Come on. GTX coming up and wants to retest resistance up here, making a triple top at the moment. Tesla is trying. So let's see if we're going to be successful staying above those lines, right? We want to break through and stay above them, just like SPY is. We don't want to see a pullback on that SPY or on NVIDIA. All right. So that's why we want that SPY to push. Push, push. All right, guys. So right now we are getting exactly what we wanted, right? We wanted that SPY to come down to this support line, hold that purple support line. And it was purple because the line, if I zoom out, there it is. If I zoom in, it disappears, but when I zoom in, it holds that support line, right? We wanted this one to come down to the purple line here. That's why I put this line in white so everybody can see it. And then push, right? And that's what we are getting right now. But we need to stay above and continue the upside move. All right. We don't want to see another break under that support and pull again. So let's see if the market has the momentum and being strong enough with buyers coming in and holding it up there and pushing it higher, right? That's the only concern you need to have right now. If buyers are coming into the market, otherwise, it's just going to be a pop and a dump again, right? And SPY is pulling under again. Darn it. Right now, the market is not listening to what we are saying and what we want, right? Uh, the market is not listening to what we want. Buyers is still not coming into the market. Uh-huh. Um, so this is exactly what we didn't want to happen, right? We wanted to get those buyers to start coming in, and that's we're not getting that, at least not yet. At least not yet. Hmm. So we are a breath away on for the next support line on Tesla, showing up right now. Just a little bit lower, we're gonna find the next level of support on Tesla. Buy testing support as well. Coin is making a double bottom, still on the heavy side, just like MSTR is, and Reddit. Does anybody have any questions?
I took PTGX short at
Mhm.
53.56.
Nice. See, well done.
So we'll see. We got a little support right here at about 51.68.
Mhm.
Well, you got a little bit lower. I'm done
Yeah.
with BNTX already.
BNTX.
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 Yeah.
Oh, was that on our list today?
It was say the earnings play today, right?
Oracle is also the
Yeah, after hours.
Oracle. Could be this could be interesting.
Yeah.
After hours, we're gonna talk about it later on. What we want to
Okay.
see out of it. Oracle. Mhm. It's bouncing here a little bit off that next level of support. SPY still doesn't know which legs to stand on, right? It's coming down and retesting, creating a double bottom right there. Still on the heavy side right now on SPY. TWL low, what are you doing? SMCI making a double top here. SMCI. So what's this SMCI with this double top? It's having PT GX. So let's see if we can get one more push out of this PTGX, get it a little bit higher, and then see if we can pull it. That would be the best kind of setup. So we are getting a beautiful double top here on this SMCI. Coin coming down to the next level of support, so is Reddit and MSTR. PLTR double bottomed. Tesla is trying to hold on to support. Apple is making a little bit of a base. Carvana is sitting at support right now. AFRM making a double bottom. AFRM.
Come on, market. Let's drop.
Oh, the market, you want to drop on it, huh? Yeah,
sure,
we're
why
still on
not?
we're still on the heavy side.
Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Get fun and games are over. Let's get.
Yeah, why not? Ah, that's a no move, huh? No move. Guys, keep an eye on this SMCI for one last breath on it, right? Last breath on SMCI for a pull.
I'm watching AVGO.
Mm-hmm.
Just FYI.
AVGO.
Yep.
Yeah, nice pull.
I'm in SMCI at 3909.
SPY doesn't want to break though. We're still holding that support here on SPY, at least for now.
Mm-hmm.
Retesting here.
All right, done with AVGO.
Nice pull on SMCI.
I'm still in SMCI.
Take it down.
I am, sir.
My next
I am,
support.
kind sir.
My next support is I have two. I have two support lines: 38.28
Okay.
and 38.10.
All right.
Those two support lines you want to break.
Well, my next pivot is 37.67.
Got it. Buyer's trying to break under.
Oh, shit. SMCI hit a little bit of support right there. Would you say 38 what?
The first one or the second one?
Just I'm gonna get out.
38.10.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then I had 38.28.
Okay. Well,
Dina, did you trade your AMD? Was nice today, huh? Nice push and dump on AMD.
Yeah, I'm not AMD, but yeah, I saw that. That's a good one. I did SMCI at a
Nice.
point on it. Just kind of watching.
Yep.
Not doing much. Did NVIDIA out of that one.
What did your VST do? Did it do anything?
It's down right now. It's
Yeah.
at 108.40.
What else do we have here?
What's your next support after the one it's at now?
On VST?
Yeah.
107.20.
Okay.
See again, test. Yeah, 107.20.
Get it.
Take some more profit on Tesla here, coming down to support. Everything is just red. Everything.
Red. It'd be good to put some stuff in the vault, keep it there for a couple months and see what happens, right? Get past all this turbulence.
Tesla's trying to hold here, just like Nvidia is. Just trying to make a little bit of a base here. It doesn't mean we're gonna hold. SPY is still a little bit on the heavy side.
Oh, it says the employment just came out the February. That's why. Or didn't really do much.
No curl on anything right now. Apple is trying to make a little bit of a curl. Apple, PLTR. Coin is making a base. Same thing goes for SMTR. Nvidia is holding support. No curl yet on Nvidia or on Tesla right now. Just making a base and retesting support areas. SPY is still a little bit on the heavy side here. See what else we have. SPY is trying here. So what's this area you are coming down to on SPY on Nvidia and on Tesla here? Same thing goes for AFRM, Reddit. Baidu is holding and flagging. Baidu. Same thing goes for Baba here, making a little bit of a base, no curl on it. Tesla is making a little bit of a double bottom. Same thing goes for Nvidia. No curl yet. Getting a little bit of bounce here of that support areas. Let's see if we're going to push over that resistance to go through. Push it up to the next one. Look at the Tesla that just did, huh? That's why it's so important. We got to get that curl going and push over that resistance lines, right? So you got to be taking not full size when you're seeing things that are not entirely ready. Nvidia is slowly coming up that resistance. Yeah, guys, I do want to take that Tesla up. All right, I do want to. Same thing goes for everything, right? Doesn't matter. I want to take things and curl them for an upside move. But we gotta wait for the right timing, right? Timing is everything. If the stock market doesn't want you to push, don't try to push it. It's not gonna happen. Nvidia is also having issues breaking over resistance here for now. Yeah, exactly, Kajura. Push real hard. Yeah, real good. Yeah. My next resistance on Tesla is down here at the 238. 238. I hope you guys understand what I was talking about. That SPY, we want to push through that resistance line up there and not break under it again, right? You break under it, this is the result right now. Everything is pulling back down. That's why you need to have your stops in place and don't let it get out of your trade if you are longing something, right? That means you are going opposite of what the market wants to do. You don't need to hold it, right? Don't hold it. It goes against you, right? You will want it to go long, break over resistance and push. And if it goes against you, those lines is protecting you to get out of the trade and flip your trade. Flip it. What? Oh, know when to fold them. Yeah, exactly. And when to run. Yeah, definitely correct. I mean, it's the best song I know about trading. That's it. All right. I mean, why stay in the losing trade when you can flip it your trade and take it on the short side, right? Don't be so stubborn. Right? It's gonna turn around. It's gonna turn around. It's gonna turn around. Yeah, it's gonna turn around, but at what cost? Why not go minus, let's say, $10 without flipping? $10 minus, so 20 compared to 200, 300, and add to those minus 200, 300. No, why would you want to do that? You flip your trade. Instead of going long, you flip it, you go short, taking things down, moving your stops and all that. And if the stock wants to turn around, all right, if you're gonna get a curl, you're taking profit along the way, then you flip it again and go long. Just because we are basing doesn't mean we're gonna get a curl. All right. Basing, fine. Is it gonna drop? It's gonna lose it? More downside. Is it gonna curl? I mean, look at Nvidia, right? We're basing here with this double bottom, beautiful and all, right? Got a little bit of a pop. Does not want to push through resistance line, right? And then pull right back down. The same thing with Tesla here. We're making this double bottom. Doesn't mean anything as long as it's not going to break over that resistance line, right? And hold it above. You want to break and push. You want determination. Yeah. Not this like SPY did here. Broke over resistance, cannot figure out what it wants, and then drops down under it again, right? Thanks, Condense. All right, so we are trying here again with SPY. Let's see if it's going to be more successful this time. Got a little bit of try here as well on Tesla, on Nvidia. Come on. Hmm. Come on, SPY. Come on, SPY. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Push. Push. Guys, if anybody have any questions, anything you wish to talk about,
Hello.
hey,
Just
Vince.
checking in to say hi.
Hey, hi. Hey, hi.
Say hi. Hi, hi. How you doing?
Let's see. Hmm. All right, let's looky around here. Nvidia is trying SMTR, right? Got a nice little pop here, or at least trying to make that curl for an upside move. MSTR. So what's your next resistance on it? You want to break would be that 257, 257.35. Still no curl on this SPY. Just playing with us a little bit here. This is not a curl, or even it's just making a little bit of a pop. All right. Still haven't got those buyers coming in and start buying and pushing the stock up right now. This PTGX is still holding it up there and flagging it. PGGX. Still very light volume coming in, only 1,000 shares. Nice little pull on SMCI. MSTR is not breaking over resistance either. All right. Anybody else? Anything? Oh, easy. If you would ask a woman, she would say, make your woman happy, and then you will be happy too. All right? BS. Don't believe in those fairy tales, all right? I'm joking. Exactly. I was just trying to push some buttons here, not very successful. Ah, yes, it is. I mean, the only thing you're gonna get out of it, this thing of making your wife happy and you will be happy too. The only thing you're not gonna get by doing it is nag. All right, she's not gonna nag. It doesn't make you happy. You're just gonna be free from the nagging, right? She will still nag. She will still nag. Thanks, Candace. Still on the heavy side, everything is going deeper. So right now, the market was just breathing here a little bit.
Yeah.
Mhm. My next line of support on SPY would be all the way down here, and that is at 564 39. Let's call it 40, shall we? So down there is my next level of support. Tesla is slowly just grinding sideways here, just like Kajora likes it, sideways. Apple is also sitting at support of 22860. 22860 support on Apple. PLTR, double bottoming, no curl. ARM, triple bottoming, no curl. Still heavy. So nothing is making the curl, the breakover resistance and push. Nothing out there at the moment. Just grinding sideways. A little bit of a pop, then pull again. A little bit of a pop, pull again. Look at SMCI. What a beautiful pull. Well done, DC. SMCI.
Hey,
Nice
look at
pull.
LMT, Lockheed Martin. MT.
LM.
Not everything's dropping today.
Oh, I'm not playing this kind of things, man.
Well, no. I'm just saying though, most of the market is
Yep.
tanking, but there are some
Mm,
sweet trades still going on.
yeah. Well, LMT is a defensive stock,
Yeah.
right? But we were talking about Apple being a defensive stock, and not today, all right?
Yeah.
Because
And then
all the other days, Apple was going opposite of what Spy was doing. Spy was pulling, Apple was just pushing and pushing, right?
mhm.
Today, it's not doing it.
and then
So
this morning's runner SMST still running.
SM,
ST
SMST,
still running.
SMT, nice push.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
mean
that's an
from
ET. That's
yeah.
right. Let's say MSTR's short. Got it. What was the other one? MLYS, right?
Yes.
So this one we said LMYS, right?
Yeah.
No, damn it.
Yeah. MLYS.
MLYS.
Yeah.
That one. All right, so you're hitting resistance here. Remember we were talking about what's this one to break above that resistance so you can get that push in. So right now you are coming up to this resistance area. Very light volume still. It's only 5,000 shares coming into it. So not enough volume right now. So no bueno right now. But made a beautiful move, definitely. If we can not get that spike board. Definitely nice push, yeah. Making a little. Hmm. My resistance on Ford is that 1015. Everything is still dumping.
Yeah. The ES is dumping. The NQ and the Dow are now starting to drop.
Hmm. Yeah.
BNT is starting to fall off a cliff. Headed down to
BN.
BNTX. Yep. Headed down to,
BNT.
I'm thinking it's going to go to support level 3, which is 102.24.
Got it.
Anyway, I jump back in BNTX
Hmm.
short.
Very pretty.
Has some high spread, so be careful if you get into it.
All right, so SPY is a breath away from the next level of support here. Still no buyers coming in. Any buyers? Any buyers?
The BNTX continues to drop. Sold half my position.
We're testing here on Tesla. Still need to break above resistance.
Yeah. A little bit of a bounce here.
Mm.
BNTX came right back up to my entry point, but I had already sold.
Nice.
Well, I saw it was reversing, so I didn't want to hold because I don't know how.
Exactly. If it doesn't, if it's trying to do something,
Yeah. Well, plus I also got a buy signal too, so I just got out.
okay. Well done. Mm. Come on, Tesla, you gonna push through today or what? Mm. Buy's coming down, retesting support here again. Right now, this support line is trying to hold. Well done, DC.
All stress free. Didn't have to even think about them.
Mm-hmm.
Just great execution.
Exactly. That's what it's all about, right?
I know, but I just
Mhm.
from last year to this
Yeah.
year, big
Yeah.
difference.
What a
Right.
difference.
Yeah.
What a difference.
Yeah. I mean, this is the end goal, right?
Exactly. I mean, there's no chasing,
Right.
no heart beating, it's relaxing, taking trades, right here
Yeah.
and there.
No heart beating. I like that.
Hmm. Yeah. Well, some people are calling it a problem. Other people are calling it a curse. I've heard many names through the years. The only thing I don't like is garlic.
No, that's not true. There's a few other things you don't like.
Oh man, come on, really? Tesla is toying with us right now.
Yeah. So I'm going to stop trading for I'm going to call this the first half of the day, and then I'm going to come back at 1. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I got some things I have to do in the
Mhm.
house. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Well done, DC.
All right. Yep. You're gonna stop while I'm ahead. Not gonna give anything back. Right.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. I'll
All
see
right.
you guys about at 1:00. Okay. Is that when you come back,
See you
Janie?
later.
2200.
2200. No, I'm
When do you come
sleeping
back?
at 2200.
Oh, when do you come back?
I'm here nonstop. I'm
You're here.
just taking
Right here.
a break here and there. I'm
Yeah,
not,
but when do you go on break?
I don't know. I don't know, half an hour, maybe.
You shouldn't get a break since you were late this morning.
Yes, I should exactly. Oh, we also finishing 1 hour before.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Yeah.
forgot about that. Yes,
I forgot about that. Oh, we got Oracle tonight, so we want to really
Yes.
deep dive Oracle and where it's at right now, because today it's basically just, I don't want to say it tanked, but it dropped 3 points, so it's not doing too bad.
Oh, we're gonna talk about the article later on.
Okay.
It's a little bit too early to talk about now.
Yeah, no, I know.
Hmm?
All right,
All right.
bye.
Bye. All right. Does anybody else have anything you guys want to talk about? Anybody else? Anything? Nah, Nvidia. Take it down. My next support is a little bit lower here, Kajura, at the 10688 90. 10690 is my next support. Tesla doesn't want to push through. My came up, touched that resistance point, doesn't want to do it. SPY's giving us again another double bottom here. Again, no curl on it. So right now we do not know what that SPY is want to do, because no buyers is coming into it, at least not yet. Let's see what else. Mhm, mhm. And guys, if anybody have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Almost there on Nvidia. Tesla doesn't want to push through again. Let's see what else we have. MSTR, we were saying we're getting a little bit of a pop, but it didn't want to break over resistance. Same thing goes for coin. So look for this one to give you another pull. Beautiful short on SMCI of that triple top or on SMCI. All right, let's see what hell we have. Mhm. Netflix is also holding support here for now. All right, so Nvidia hitting that support here right now. So let's see what Nvidia wants to do. As long as SPY is not going to give us any kind of a curl for an upside move, I mean, it's going to keep taking things down, right? And that's why it's so important to have SPY up. Even though you don't trade SPY, it's so bloody important to keep that SPY up here and keep watching it, what it's doing. Getting a bounce here on Nvidia of that support line. Same thing goes for SPY. Tesla is retesting here. Anything you want to talk about? Hmm. Trust anything right now for an upside move. Don't trust anything, all right? Tesla, right? It came up to resistance, doesn't want to push through. I mean, even the candle doesn't want to break over that resistance line. Trade down. Now it could be Nvidia's turn to make a little bit of a pop, and then we'll see.